Okay, so I have my iPad and I'm going to show you how to put something on the dock. So down here you see I'm sitting in the dark. Can you tell? I wanted this to show up. So down across the bottom, these are in your dock. Whoops, I accidentally opened something in my dock. Okay, so these are the items in your dock. Now you can add items to your dock and you can take items out of your dock. The reason I'm showing you this is you're going to need to put things into your dock so that we can learn how to split our screen in half so we can see Seesaw in one half and you can see Zoom in the other half. Oh, crazy, huh? Okay, so here we go. It's really easy. You have to decide which icon you want to move. I use my Seesaw icon a lot anyways, and my Seesaw icon should be in my dock so that I can share it, because you can only screen share on your own screen with something that's in the dock. So I'm going to press and hold on Seesaw until, oh, look at that! They all start to wiggle and they have an X. So then I take it and I drag it down into the dock. See, they scooted over and made room for it, and I can let go. If I don't want that one on my dock, I can take it off, drag it off. Look at that. So I can take things off, and I can put things, some of them it just makes copies of. I guess some things always live on the dock, but you can take things off of the dock, and you can put things on the dock. Maybe I want to put this one on my dock. I can do that, and you can have 15 different items on your dock. Crazy. Okay, and when you're done, because they're still wiggling like crazy like that, you have to press that home button. The home button isn't on the screen. It's over here on mine. It might be on the other side for you. It's the little round circle that you press to make the screen go away. I press that, and then everybody stops shaking. And so now I have Seesaw on my dock. I have Chrome on my dock. Look at that. What else? What else? I think I might need Zoom on my dock. I'm going to press and hold on Zoom. Not let go until everything starts to wiggle. Then I can take Zoom and drag it down here. Make room for Zoom. Let go, and now it's on there. Good. Now I press the home key again. And everybody starts, or stand still. They stop wiggling. That's all there is. You can take things, drag them off. I don't really need that on there. Press and hold on it until everything starts to wiggle, and then I can drag it back out because I don't really need it there. Press the home key, home button, and ta-da! That's all there is to putting things on the dock or taking them off. So you need to make sure you do that so that you have the Zoom icon and you have the Seesaw icon. You need Seesaw and Zoom. These two right here both need to be on your dock. So that's your task right now, is to put those on the dock.